Um, fix it a little bit more. Color space. Color range. Capture audio only. I don't know. I look okay. Apply rotation. We're going to. I look like I'm okay. Fuck that. We're gonna play. Yo! Ég ætla að spila smá. Play Megastar Simulator. And Mango wants to go out, but he was outside just a few minutes ago. I need to check the audio, if everything's working. Oh! Hello? Hello? Huh. I put it. Hello? Why is it like this? What's going on with the sound? Wait. Let's go. Hello? Is it better? I have the microphone over here. Yeah, I think. Wait. Hello? Better. Hello? Yes. It's not. Hello? So this is okay. You can hear me better now. Ooh. So this means it's working, yeah. I had two microphones. I mean, is this mean? I had two microphones. I'm not sure if this is the right one. Let me test it a bit. I'm not sure if this is the right one. Okay, audio input capture. Hello? Hello? So this is better. I can hear myself. Woo! Okay. I can hear myself. Okay. Okay. This is better. Okay, so this is the microphone. I found it. Woo. Okay. This is better. Okay, so this is the microphone. I found it. Woo. I want to go stupid. But if I don't want Wondland to listen to myself and my headphone, hello? Mute output. I don't know. I think desktop out. One. Hello. Default desktop audio. Headphones. Hello. Okay, now I can't hear myself. But do you guys hear me? Okay. If it's like this and it's now I can't hear myself. Do you guys hear me? Okay, now it's working. So sorry, some technical problems. Okay. So yeah, welcome to my stream. Basically, my computer has been making problems for me. I'm gonna mute the fucking TV. So here we are, Mongo, day number 20. Oh, Mongo, oh sorry, he's trying to sleep. So, I had a rough, no, I didn't really have a rough day. Just a emotional day. And let's, before we start, yeah, I have here some drink. Are you taking this music in the game? My hair is absolutely disgusting. It's clean, but you know. Well, I should not talk bad about myself. Oh, did you see the airplane? Whee! Oh, there's always going airplane over here at my house. Well, not my house. They're selling it. I'm only renting it. But I have to move. I'm moving like after 2-3 weeks. The beginning of June. And I'm trying to open this goddamn Mentos. So I had a meeting with I needed to fix my camera, you know, because I had an online meeting with a financial counselor. Help me out with my money problem situation. And yeah, welcome to my channel, Heropera87. Hey, what's up, woman? I can hear your footsteps. You want to come to my store? No, no, no. Hey, I want to try this. Hey, come. Woo! come to my store. Hey, hello. Oh, oh my God. Come to my store, my store. It's open soon. Woo! I know. I understand now how they like this. Woo! Oh, it's blue, blue, blue. Do you hear it? This, you know, I have to test it out. Hello. Woo! Okay. Man, oh my God. This is so fucking, this is so loud. Okay. Oh my God. Well, yeah. So I had a meeting with my financial advisor today. And she was like, what can I help you with? And I'm like, You know, I'm in deep shit. Everything's in deep shit. So do you think you can help me with that? We gotta open soon. Woo! Well, it really is. Today, we're gonna sell a lot of them. Do you hear me? You better do your job. Oh my god. That's really fucking loud. So they added some, finance. They made an Excel stuff for me. So I can plan my next month so I don't get in trouble. You want to see Mango? Aww, see Mango, my little baby. Hey, you want to say hi? Hi. Oh yeah, poor little baby. He was sleeping. I'm just to wake him up. Mango. He's not very happy with me. Oh. Anyway, you can take a loan now. So, what? I can take 13,000 business loan, bridge truck loan. So I can only buy term or daily payment. So I would pay it like in 30 count risk unknown. Should we take a loan? I mean, I shouldn't really take a loan, like, with my situation, but there's a problem with being Icelandic. We like, no, I'm not saying every Icelandic person is like that, but we like taking risks, you know? I know no one is watching it. Maybe I will say it later. Okay, let's do it. Fuck it. Making bank. Just took a loan. Then there comes here fair credit score. Early. Pay early. Pays that you're ultimately at the start of the due day. Okay. Then I made the statistic. The sound is very, I don't know, maybe it's because I have headphones. So we can see what snow data because, okay. So what should we do with all that money? What's my situation going on here? Boxes found for water. No boxes. Okay, they say now what they need. So we can't hire employee. Now we can put fucking self checkout. We can. Sorry, guy. I have to fire you. Thank you for your service. Oh, woo! Now we got self checkout. You no longer need it. I think he's kind of mad. So, manage staff. Cashier. Fire. Yeah, and fire. No cashier. So, we can have a seafood clerk. What's that? Early. But we have bakery. Wait. Did we have bakery stuff? No. Okay, we can have bakery stuff also. I can only have 4 people. Okay, early. Okay, so got it. I need a free oven. Here you go then, my man. Everything's stocked up. This music, man. What am I doing now? Yeah. I need to buy self-checkout. Checking on camera. Okay. He was waiting patiently at the water. And that he was sitting patiently in the water. In the water. At the, two. Let's get two. And make sure we have everything there. So I was waiting patiently for water on the sink in the bathroom. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, I felt like my life is fucking messy as shit when I was talking to a financial guy. Yeah, and we need this, and we need this, and we need this, and we need vending machine. 6,000. Oh, the sound is very loud. Audio. Embed except. Hello. Okay, it's better now. So, waiting for that order. On the way. On the way. We're gonna use that money for. Yeah. We're gonna. Yeah. Move. Pack. Set that checkout. Pack. And now we can sell this. We don't need that. Okay. So first we're gonna take our trolley here. And we take here self-checkout. Well, and where's the vending machine? Here we go. Okay, so vending machine can go outside. and sell checkout. Now, where should we line that beauty up? Over here. And one more. Okay, got that. Well, now we can take the stuff that the guy can handle. Like this plushie. The water. Fuck you. Can't unload the pallet here. So yeah, sometimes I feel like my life is going to hell, but I'm not the only one. But, well, I have some good news. You can only go up from the bottom. Yeah. I'm gonna get fit and healthy as fuck. Fix my life better from worse. From better from worse. That's some fruity Mentos. And to get rid of this. Ah, fucking hell. It's because the camera is slower. I don't know, maybe I'll go crazy listen to this music all day. You can see me now. Maybe I should move the camera so you see my status. Here. Now you can see it. It's much better. Okay. Are you ready for some action? What happened to your arms? Are you okay, ma'am? Very strange. Okay, yeah, I'm holding the trolley, of course, I forgot it. Let's get the stuff for the vending machine. Mr. Stalker, everything's ready. Yeah, I'm not ready. I'm gonna. You gonna make this a. No, fuck you. Seriously? Oh, open up. Coffee, we got coffee, we got coffee. Okay, one box here is enough. Donuts, we got donuts. Donuts. And we got some other donuts. Okay, so price. Just put the 10 here. It's fine, man. It's fine. Okay, so we can throw this one. Well, okay, let's check out, well, because we don't have a unloader yet. We just have to take this one out and not much space in the warehouse, bro. It will be soon. So we can send that truck away. Not go. Funny, I hear like the outside noises. Okay, management. Freezing up. Okay, so what we have here? Bakery. We have the license. Okay, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, 600, 600. Sports 300. Okay, so we should buy the next license, like for the bakery. Then we need furniture and tray rack and projects. Fill. Set that up. Still have plenty of money, man. So we'll put here. Just get our trolley. Get the new stuff. Ooh, really? Getting loan changes everything. Wonderful. Okay. Oh, you poor little boy. We were just outside before. He just want to play outside. I will play with him later, I promise. Okay, so got one of these. Thought I ordered. Why is not full pallet? Bullshit this is. I was going to order full pallet, not the fuck bullshit this is. Okay. So we need to put here. More red stacks. And this. Then I have to bake it first before, before the guy. Yeah, so I've been streaming more because I don't have a lot of space in my computer, and I don't know, I've been deleting a lot of stuff, and I delete the videos every time I upload them on my computer. So it should not be a fucking problem, but I don't know. I need a better computer, that's for sure. I fixed my camera. This is a little bit off. Fix that. I fixed the camera. But it was very easy to fix it. I just googled, how to fix this camera, integrated camera, and it said go to device manager and find the camera and uninstall. Oh my god, uninstall. I can't speak. Well, take that shit out and and restart the your computer. And then the Windows will automatically install it again. And guess what? It worked. Easy as hell. Yeah. So I don't know. It was said it was like had 2 cameras, but I only have 1 camera on the computer, so I don't know what the fuck that was. So I don't know if does it seem like it's lagging a little. Hey, what's up, man? I am a little bit too close to you. I am in your face, man. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's go. Tomorrow I have a class in my, in this program, getting me back to the work market. I have class, it's called Good Balance. Basically, is helping teaching people how to deal with stress in their life. Like when people have total meltdown in work and, and basically I'm working on fixing everything with myself, my mental, how I think, how my depression is working. I'm working on fixing myself, you hear me? Yeah, everything's gonna be better. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I was too close in his face. So, we have very little space in the... I didn't mean to... Oh my god. Fuck it, I can't throw this. I have to throw it anyway. Kurva. Sorry. It's I'm Iceland, I cannot pull this. Okay, here you go. My darling. Maybe I should upgrade the warehouse. You say? Yeah, I should do that. Get more space for the warehouse. So, warehouse expansion. Little bit extra space. That's good. That's always good. And now this is 400. Next license. We can take this one, the plushie. The big plushie. Or, yeah, because clothing is 300, 600, 400. Yeah. I'm just doing by the numbers. This is 300. And this needs to be on toy wall shelf. Okay, this is just on the same one. Okay. So I don't need any furniture for that. Groceries, 300. But then I need a fridge. Freezer, I mean. And do I need because I have like this, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think you can put 3 in 1. Oh. This is what I did. Oh my god. Okay. Fill pallet. Fill pallet. Fill pallet. Fill pallet. And I'm out of money. No. Not enough cash. Oh fuck. Okay. bring this down to, well, is toothpaste so expensive? I mean, it's really ridiculous. And chicken, I put down everything to 10. I'm finishing my money so fast. 10. Still not. Okay, let's put 5 of everything. I'm not rich anymore. So easy to spend money. I finished setting up this. Where should I put the freezer? Oh, I can put the freezer right here. I know, then we have to make a store bigger. Let's get our trolley there. It's a little bit laggy. I wonder if it would be better if I put my graphic too low. Is it lagging anymore? This is horrible. I don't want it. Brightness. I can't live with this graphic. Okay, it's better. No, everything's so dark. Just lower this music. Man. No, that's better. Okay. Do I have 2 boxes here. Extinct to save living, please. Okay, the toys are here. I know I will fix everything up as soon as we get everything better organized here. Oh, it's a beautiful plastic. Poor little baby. So, okay, here, this goes here. Let's finish setting up the rest of the stuff. Juice, toothpaste. Toothpaste. Gonna go here. And juice. Yeah. Or people going. Have already sold something in the here. Yeah. Maybe it just only works when, like in supermarket simulator, you can sell, stuff even though the store is closed. People go to it and buy stuff. Change the price. I'm sorry, it's lagging a little bit. Maybe it's because I have the here. Hey, I want to try something out. Maybe I can add it. Viewer count. Okay. Okay. Is this like viewer count? Okay. There's one viewer on YouTube, and we have here a lot chat notification. Just I'm learning on Twitch, but it says 5 viewers on the Twitch there. I don't know. They should go down like here, like this, and then I have here the chat box. Oh, let's have the chat box here, and this is alert box, and the chat box here. Okay, you can continue. Okay, now we put the price. Anyway, yeah, I was a little bit mad because, well, I'm not perfect and my life is not perfect. No, I'm not mad about that. I'm mad about how I can't control my money situation and I need to fix that shit. And I need to fix how I personally think about myself and stop giving shit about what other people think, you know? Some people say I have funny face expression. No, I'm not frozen. Okay. Just continue playing this stupid game. It's not stupid, it's awesome game. I love it, I love it, I love it very much. I'm not joking, I love it. It's awesome game, it's not stupid. I'm just joking. French fries, chicken! Oh, and I've been watching Rusty. Oh, Manta's just sleeping. What? The lights have been flickering like all evening. I don't know why. There's a ghost in here. Someone is messing with me. Well, I have a few dead relatives that could be messing with me. Hey, you want candy? Yeah, I've been watching Rusty and Austin play this game. And more people. And I love it. I love it! Now, it's full of fries. So the fries goes here. Just put the price and we can open the goddamn store to get some money. too lazy to put higher price. Okay, let's just open here. Hey, come on! The store is open! Woo! Woo! Yeah!
What you gonna pay? I see you. You better do your best. You better do your best today.
Why is it like this? You better do.
You better do your best today.
Oh.
You scared the crap out of me.
Yeah, whatever, man. Oh, no, yeah. And the funny thing is, I was like, long time figuring out. Oh, I can only get 8 people in here. What the fuck, man? Because I only have 2 checkouts. Yeah, for a long time I thought. I don't remember what I was going to say. Why am I holding the trolley, man? Oh my god. Get out of here. Maybe it will come back to me. As you see, I have HD, HD, HD. HD, HD! ADHD. Fuck. Yeah. So things keep slipping my mind. Like what I'm about to say or do. It's pretty annoying. Especially when you're having conversation with someone and you forget what the fuck you're trying to say, or you forget one name, one, like, okay, for example, let's say I'm telling someone about something interesting that I heard or happened to me or someone else, and this person bought something at some store or something, and I forget the name of what they bought or the store, and the this what I'm supposed to. Am I still here on the TV now? So this is very vital to the story, this name. So I'm telling the story, and I'm like very excited, and everything is going well, and then I forgot the fucking main shit that is important, and I'm just like there, like, yeah, and then he went to the store. I don't remember the name of it. Or you're telling about something, and then you see a bird or something outside, and you're like, "Oh yeah, I know what what happened the other day. Oh yeah, tell me." So I was walking down the street, and then do you see the bird over there? What were you saying? Oh fuck, I don't remember. Never mind. See, that's how that works. Or you're doing 10 things at a time. It's not enough to do one thing. You have to do 4 or 5 things at the same time. It's like, it's very hard for me to watch a movie, just the movie, unless it's really, really good. Yeah, you people keep on shopping. Woo! So, how's it going here? 230. So, yeah. That's how it's living with this. It's fun time. Oh, my viewers count came down. Did I say something wrong? Should be able to see. I'm sorry. Don't do this. Ella. I have here the. I can see the chat here. I don't have to be sorry that I'm not perfect. No one is perfect. Why do I look like my eyes are crossed? Like I'm crossed-eyed. Am I crossed-eyed? That looks great. Nice and fresh. It's strange. Okay, I look into the camera. What the fuck? It's one of my eye. Like, it's not this one. It's this one. It's like, is it cross-eyed? Or am I just going crazy? Never mind. We're here to watch a game, not looking at my eyes. Oh yeah. Now I have to serve him because I only have the seafood person for the half of the day. Here you go. I'm just cutting off the fish and the head of the fish. You want more? Do you eat fish? I see you like fish a lot. Okay, you finished? Okay, good. I can check on some stuff if we need anything. Yeah. We need pumpkin, seed roll, grocery, need seafood, ourselves fine, clothing, vending machine. We only need this. You want fish? Sardine. I have a small mackerel. Mackerel. In Iceland they call it mackerel. Yeah, here you go, sir. Have a nice day.
You better buy some. I see you. Don't try to steal.
What is that?
Don't try to steal. Eres tú ya eres mi padre. Nice day. Okay.
Sorry about yelling, sir. I didn't mean to yell at your face. You want more sardine? Ooh. Oh. Yeah, and everyone who's joined and see my video, thank you. I'm just a small person in a small country. Iceland is the biggest country in the world, right? Hey, what's up? Yeah, are you hot or not? Joke. It's hot weather outside now. It's actually dark outside. Aren't you cold, ma'am? Here you go, ma'am. You want more? Okay. Bye-bye. So we can hear the people out there if you want. I don't hear them. Dialogue volume. Hey, what's up? What you gonna buy? They even put the, they have good, everything's. It's okay. He will fill it up tomorrow with a baker. So what were we doing? Yeah, we're getting this thing here. Bye. Fuck you. Okay, here you go. I'm a bit mad. It's just, I have to move and I'm trying to fix my life, my money, my health, my mental health, everything at the fucking same time. And there's a war going on. And there's some hantavirus going on. Fucking hell. I'm trying to stay positive. Because we're all gonna die anyway, so it doesn't matter. That's very positive, man. I'm sorry, I'm really positive. I'm not like that. It's just my depression talking. See, my depression has a different voice. It goes like, it's like this. Wait, I have to scream it to the people.
You're all going to die.
Hey, man. I'm sorry about that. It was my depression talking. We want sardine. Okay. Yeah, I think you're my last customer for the day. It's funny how I can hear people coming into the stairway, even though I have my headphones on. And I'm not naked, I'm wearing a t-shirt, just sitting on the sofa. I know I should be higher up. This really is killing my back. But yeah. Yeah, I can even hear them when they are slamming the door in your face. Okay, now come our customer. Did I let you refill, ma'am? Man. Okay, he's not listening to.
You better hurry the fuck up.
$500. Okay, fuck this. I don't want to wait for him. So, I took a loan. I can take a loan. Supply cost. We got 84 customers. That's good. Sprinkle donut. So they say it will take automatic off the loan here. Finance payments. Payments are charged automatically at the start of the due day. So that's like I have paid then 563 plus my hair. Oh my goddamn hair. So usually when I'm on the computer, I have this blanket, you know, because it tends to get cold in the evening. But that looks really stupid in the camera. I'm like, it's not stupid. It's like, you know, you want to see Mango? There on the stove. So cute. I had just, yeah, I'm playing on the laptop, just so you know. And I'm really bent down because the table is lower. So that's maybe why I have back problems. Don't you think? Okay, whatever. Let's continue. And yeah, I had to change like. So hey, what's up? Have a good day. Their arms are so strange. Hey, are you okay? What happened to your arm? Why is it doing like that? You had a crunchy sound. Let's go. Sorry. Let's go. Maybe it's too loud. I think it's maybe too loud. I thought you can hear me normally. Anyway, let's order some stuff to see if we need something. This and this and seafood this. Alright. Clothing. Yes, export. Vending. Let's order this one. So basically here finance. I already have active business loan, so you can only have one. Forklift loan is like vehicle payment. I'm curious. If you get this loan, you don't buy a furniture. Credit score affect daily interest rate. Fair, good. Pay on time to improve it. This pays automatically, so I could pay early, but yeah. So license for toy candy is on 300 is closed here, but we have so little money we just open up the store. It's open. Come on. Come on. Wow. You're the best. You better pay. Wow. Okay. Stop being smirk about it and continue working, okay? Yeah. Level 90. Okay. Put this here, and Restaker will take care of it. Ooh. I saw everything's a mess here. Oh my god. I heard some noise. I think it was outside. I think there's some ghost here, you know. He's messing with me. Because my lights been flickering. You know, just these lights. I don't know why. It's like I'm still learning on Streamlabs, so you gotta forgive me if I do something wrong. You don't have to forgive me, you know, it's your choice. But it would be nice. Thank you very much. Oh, I got this microphone. Did it get changed color? Ooh. I can hear the sound, like gain. No, I'm not. No, I don't know if I'm doing anything now. Anyway, I should have some chocolate. Chocolate is not very good for me because I have milk intolerance, but it's my favorite thing in the world. It's chocolate, especially this Marigold. I have bad stomach regularly, so it doesn't matter anyway. I'm so funny, haha. Should I be drinking energy drink now? Like almost 10 o'clock. Yeah, no, I have trouble sleeping at night. I wonder why. Alright, yo, my man. A beautiful day out. I haven't really checked out the area. Like, well, I can't walk here. The airplane. Wait. There's my vending machine going. You can make a phone call. No smoking. There's our homeless guy. Lost his job to AI. Oh, see when I walk in. There's wiggling. The back door yield. La 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 la. Don't mind me. Hey, I hope I can get you a job soon. My man, you want some food? Are you hungry? I'm sorry, man. And this, it's adorable. Such a cute dog. He lost his name, Kenzie. I can't imagine, you know, It's horrible. It's the pet. Your pet is part of your family. And that's right, Mungo. I have your Mungo. Oh, baby. Oh, shut the fuck up. Yeah. It's gonna be with us here. Oh, the camera went off. What happened? Oh, it's still on. I didn't see it. I forgot it was in the other corner. Oh, my poor baby. You want to say something? Meow. This is Mango, my little baby. He is 5 months old. He was at the vet yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. No, today is Thursday. Yeah, yesterday he was at the vet. He got his shot, for they don't get sick, like influenza or something. And he did so good. He's a pretty boy. Oh, my baby. You want to sit here with me? I just took him home. He was having comfortable, nice time in the chair. Mm. We can go out soon. Let's see, how long have I been recording? Thank you. It's okay, a little bit longer. At least longer. Try to have 2 hours. And, it's funny. Steam is making trouble, like, with me uploading videos, because they say I don't have enough space in my computer. But then I can download the video. It's like 2 hours long from the YouTube, my site, and edit it, upload that video, and then I have 2 videos on my computer, and that's okay. No complaints there. I don't know. I don't understand what the frick is the problem, man? What the butt? What the butt? So yeah, I can be a little bit extreme at times, but I'm not special. Yeah, I'm special, goddammit. I mean, I'm one of a kind. But I'm not, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm just my own person, Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking right now. Hey man, what's up? Oh, should you check on 2,000 and something dollars? Nice. And now you can see some statistics. Everyone loves sprinkle donuts. This is the new thing they added. The standalone. The developer, Dab, is doing a really good job. This is a juiced monster. Viking berry. Then I have water, soda water. I don't know. I usually have glasses when I'm on the computer, but having glasses with headphones is like, ugh. Oh, my nose. I don't know if I look better. Yeah, mister. Okay, just doing nothing. I'm sorry, man. I was putting on glasses so I can see you better. Oh, my eyebrows just disappears. I can do like this. You want some sardine? I can give you some sardine. Here you go. You're welcome. No, because you have headphones, it's horrible. Glasses with headphones. I can see, you know. I see very good close to me. I don't see very good far away. Is it like nearsighted? I think English word for it is nearsighted, but it's nærsynt, you know, in Icelandic. Nærsynt. You want some fish? You're gonna buy some fish? What are you gonna buy? Oh, French fries. Are you gonna have pizza? Or fish and fries? Buy fish, man. Buy fish and fries. Fish and fries. Just ignore me, man. The special customers comes for the special stuff, you know? I think I should just order in the morning. Like, everyone loves that sprinkle donut. It's nice not having to the customer, oh, let's just see what we need, or maybe I can just order it now. The people lid clothes. Toy and candy. Grocery. Groceries. I can't talk really. Groceries. Grocery. Seafood. Seafood. Okay, whatever. Well, everyone loves the sardine, man. And this one. Well, t-shirt, we gotta have those. But we can just put it in the, you know, on this card. So see what we have to pay, what we have left. Okay. Day 21. Satisfy customers. 84. Unavailable projects. 1. Not good. Classic donut. You know what I do? I am always having very about everything every day, and then I go on YouTube and I see the news and I see what people are saying about like war and hantavirus, and I go to TikTok and I go breaking news and I go see all this conspiracy theories and no good, man. No good. Shit, I have to learn how to relax. Yeah. My man, you're doing a good job. Okay, so we can order this stuff, what we needed. 1453, so yeah. I will have to, I can't do any new stuff till I got everything under control here with the projects. And my warehouse is very organized. Not. I think I don't know where Monko is. I think maybe he could be crying and I don't hear him. Check him out. Can you watch the people for me? Let's just open the store and I'm sorry about the lag and I don't know. Okay, let's just open. I opened the store. I'm gonna check on my bill. Baby. Oh, yeah. That's a dimly. Catch an apple like a dog. He's not a dog, he's my favorite cat. And then I open one of these with a Carmela and he catches. It's not gonna catch a ball now for me. I'm playing on the computer. I'll kill my leg. What's going on? Hello. We're gonna get some coffee, eh? See how he catches it. Everything's going great here. Thank you. Hey. So let's check. Oh, he's looking outside. And then I see the notification of the YouTube. Like the prepper Stefan Burns. Underwater volcano explosion strikes Papua New Guinea to Sami risk elevated. We're all going to die. Yeah, but yeah, think positive, man. Think positive. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to let him out of on the balcony. Yeah, I actually mixed the monster with this bird thing. What are we doing? Yeah. No, it's a little bit cold. Yeah, it's not a good idea to mix negative punches with Carmela. Ew. Wait. So, okay. The sun will be stuck in my head. Whatever. Yay. Okay, we need dino shirt. 19. Just need dino shirt. Okay, nice. Oh my god, so loud. Oh yeah, just wait for that. And take that, the pellets here. We have any? Huh? Ooh, let's go. Like magic. Okay. Take close up. Woo. Yeah, let's fill up the shit. 21. I can hire another employer. Bakery, seafood. I could have like for evening, like for a bakery. And then my next hiring is at 26. But okay, I have to check on Monko. It's a little bit cold. Cold. Yeah, big boy. Oh, sorry for the wait, man. Who's checking on my cat? Yeah. Just one? You only want one? Fuck off. No, my cat's my Monko's running around there. No! He wants to go outside. Wait, my darling. Maybe I should just finish this day so I can take him outside. Let me just finish this day, okay? Then I can go outside. I take him out when, a leash, a band. I have to show you. I can't talk. Oh, yeah, but I hope that he will be like, oh, so I take him out in this. Just put it, flags goes here, and then, then I walk with him outside. Because he's 5 months old and we have to move after 3 weeks to my hometown. So it would be very bad if I lost him somewhere now. So I need to buy also a new, band, not headband, collar. Here you go. I'm just gonna finish this day and go, and then I will go with you outside. No. No. Hi. Katte. We will go outside after a few minutes. Yeah. His legs are later still. No. Now he's crying because he wants to go outside. Yes, we will go outside after a few minutes, my baby. I'm just gonna finish this day and end the stream then. You have to wait a little bit longer. I know. I know. It's hard to listen to this. I don't hear them as much just because I have the headphones on. Still. Yeah, we go outside soon. A little baby. We go outside soon. I'm just finishing this like 2 hours in the game left. And then we go outside. Okay. So I've been playing a lot of Junkyard Builder. Oh, you want some seafood? Yeah, we will go out soon. He's crying so much. Baby. Just you people hurry the fuck. Hey, Mango wants to. Okay. Mango is waiting to go outside. So hurry the fuck up, please. Oh, det. Ja, við erum að fara út eftir smá. Ekki það. Já, gefa þessu makrel. My baby. Getting comfortable here. I'm just following the customers managing the store, Mega Store, you know, on Steam. And only day 21, level 21, day 22. We got fish, we don't have music and everything that. We got groceries and bakery and toys and clothes, you know? You are so wrong, madam. Yeah, maybe I'm a little bit show off when I have the camera. Oh, you see my baby. You scared me, biscuits. Aww. My little baby is asking nicely, do you want to go outside? My baby. So, it's the end of the day. Just check, get our money here. Yeah. Okay. More people. So, day 22. Satisfied customer. Unavailable projects. 1. Okay. 87 customers. Oh, you're so cute, my baby. Yeah. 286 donuts. No projects. So yeah, that's great. And then I have to throw this sofa away. So I don't know. I will put up some studio in my other new house that I'm going to rent. The extra room. Aww, it's licking my hand. Oh yeah, you give me kisses. Okay, I have to go out with my baby and go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. I give you kisses. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you later. Goodbye.
And